Ho'oponopono is a traditional Hawaiian practice centered around reconciliation, forgiveness, and healing. The term itself translates to make right or to rectify an error. It's a spiritual and psychological approach that involves taking responsibility for one's actions and consequences. At its core, Ho'oponopono emphasizes that everything in our lives is connected, and by healing ourselves, we can positively influence the world around us. It involves 4 key phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. Practitioners use these phrases as a form of meditation, repeating them to cleanse negative emotions, resolve conflicts, and bring about inner peace. The practice is often used to address personal issues, heal relationships, and promote harmony within oneself and others. It's not just about seeking forgiveness from others, but also about seeking forgiveness from oneself and letting go of inner conflicts or guilt. While its traditional roots are in Hawaiian culture, Ho'oponopono has gained popularity worldwide as a method for personal transformation